Okay guys, so welcome back, and in the next 7 minutes I would have handed over to you how to generate beautiful AI art and use an NFT using an AI tool. This video is in 2 parts, and I will be showing you in the first part this particular software, while the second part is where I'll be showing you how to use this software. And don't forget, this is totally free and you don't even need to write a single line of code. It has been written for you. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, make sure you click on the subscription button, and if you are a returning subscriber, also thumb up the video to help the YouTube algorithm show it to so many other persons, so that they can also be beneficiaries of this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright guys, yeah, welcome back. Now all you need to do to get yourself to this interface is to click the link in the description below. Now this is the tool, and this is where the magic will be done. In case you don't know, or maybe you are seeing this for the first time, this is Vagrant Clip, and it is a notebook created by Google for running of Python script. And here Catherine Krause is the engineer that created this awesome tool. So that's our GitHub link over there in case you want to follow her. Now this is where we start from. Now the first thing to do now is to run our code blocks. There are different blocks in this tool, and what you have to do is just run the code blocks and get the magic done. Now how do you do that? You can do that in 2 ways: by coming down to the particular block and clicking on the play button, or you can still go to the top and you click on the top. When you go to the top, you click on runtime and you click on run selection. This will the code block will be executed. And now if you see this, we have just downloaded the required Python packages for the first code block. It's running already. So now it has been, the first code block has been downloaded. That is, we have actually downloaded the required packages for the work to be done. For the first code block, you can see the checkbox over there, or when you check the code, you can see it right beneath it, installing finished. Now the next thing is to go to the second block, then you choose model to download. Now if you want to run the second one, this is very important. Now, I will have to explain how this works for you. Now the next thing is to go ahead and choose your neural network. In this block, you will see that there are different models that you can choose from. Now you can choose from, you can either choose the ImageNet, or you choose the WikiArt, or you choose the Face HQ. Now this is how these things have been trained. If you choose the WikiArt has been equipped to generate image from the Wikipedia, while the FFQH or FaceQH, whatever it shows in your system, has been instructed to generate human faces, while ImageNet has been trained to generate images from the internet. Now we have clicked on it already and it's running already. The next thing is to just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to download. And now it's downloaded. The required packages for number 2 have been downloaded already. So we have a lot, so you can just choose whichever one you want, whichever one you think resonates with what you're doing. Now let's go to the third block, and I've actually chosen ImageNet. Don't forget. Okay. Now just to run the third code block by clicking on the usual play button. I've actually pressed something, that is why this is showing, but not to worry. Let's go to the next block. So now when we are going to run the third block. Now when you come to this place, this is the art generator parameters. This is where you pass the parameters for the tool, what you want to actually generate. Now when you look at this, it's previewed already. So we're going to use this one, everything that has been previewed already. We won't touch anything. We're just going to run it first by clicking the play button, which is on number 5. That is run the art generator, and let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, guys. So once this green bar gets filled, and then there's another black bar, once both are completed, our art is going to be generated. So let's wait for a couple of seconds while this green bar gets filled and black as well. Okay guys, this is it. Our pictures, our arts are incoming already. Okay, we have our hearts already now. Yeah, and this is what we've generated from Fantasy World ImageNet, I think 28_10 or something. Now this is what this particular details are given of the Fantasy World. The height and the width is 300 by 300. That's the resolution of the art that has been generated. So now guys, let's tweak this a bit. Let's tweak this a bit and see what we're going to get here. Excuse me. Okay, so if the pictures will keep coming, but you can stop it whenever you think you've had enough. So let's tweak this a bit. Now just let me open my notepad and let's use this. Okay, there it goes in the land of news and the time of magic by Greg Rutkowski. So one thing you should notice is that this particular name is a cheat. It generates, you know, it generates art for you. So always make sure that you input that particular name there. Now what you have to do is just input the name and then click on the play button, which is the run button. Let's see what the art is going to generate for us. Let's just wait a sec while this gets executed. Okay guys, our pictures are here already. The heart. Yeah, like this is a big deal. It's a big deal, guys. This is a powerful tool. Now the arts are incoming. Don't forget you can change the image resolution by going to the top. Here I'm using 300 by 300 just for the tutorial, and it's very small, you know. So you can change it whenever you think you want to change it, and choose whatever size you think it. You know, you can use this art for whatever you want to use it for. It might not be NFT or whatever you want to use it for, but you know, it's a great tool. So now on to the last tweak I'll be showing you on this tutorial is how to upload a picture and make the tool to generate an art for you around the particular picture. So don't forget you can also generate videos. Yeah, you can generate videos also and download it. Then you can turn it to a GIF, whatever you want to use it for. Now this is the last tweak, how to upload a picture and make this tool to generate an art for you, around the particular picture. So I have an illusion picture I have downloaded here before. Let's use it. All you have to do now is to just drag the file from whatever folder it is and drop it in this folder. Once it is dropped, then it is uploaded automatically. So all you have to do now is to just go to the picture, wherever the picture is, just scroll there and copy the part. So once you copy the part, just copy the part and paste it here on the initial image. Paste the part on the initial image, and then you can just check the keyword if you want to change anything about it. You can just go there and okay, let's say this is you know, let's add inspired by illusion, and let's roll it and come down and run the art generator. So let's wait a couple of seconds while this gets executed. Yeah, guys, our hearts are incoming. We have the heart already. Guys, this is amazing. This is like innovation. Like the result is just, the tool is very amazing. These are the pictures they are in already. You can choose whatever you want to do with them. And also, I would like to tell you this, that your creativity and writing ability is directly proportional to how magnificent the result of this tool, the result the tool will provide for you. That is, how good you can invent words will determine how well this tool is going to execute for you. So if you are this person that can think out of the box and generate words, there are thousands of millions of words that people have not used here. I can tell you there are thousands of sentences that have never been constructed using this tool before. This is actually a new tool, so you can generate. It's limitless, it's boundless. You can just generate as many pictures as you want. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question or encounter any problem while using the software, just leave a comment and I'll be in the comment section to attend to them. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.